Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we finally got the Volvo 740 back in here. It's here to stay now. We're gonna be working on this. We're gonna get it started. Today I thought we would pull out the interior because we need to do a new fuel system for it. And in order to do that, I might need to drill in the floor. So I don't want interior in there. I mean, I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to get screws up in the carpet and stuff. We're also going to be installing a roll cage. So obviously we can't have interior in there when we're going to be getting that stuff in there. And as I mentioned in the first video of this year, we do have a sponsor with us on the channel, and it is a local company called Speeding. Let's get the whole interior out and let's just make this project spiral out of control. So that'll be awesome. How the hell am I supposed to get to that screw? Oh. Ugh. Slide that out. Like, I'm thinking 2 big holes right here where air comes in, and boom, we have the radiator right in between here. Look how wide that is. That is super huge. We don't need this spare wheel thing. We could easily have a big ass radiator in here. You just have cooling coming up here. It's perfect. It's like made for it. I am telling you guys, like, the interior of a Volvo 740 is like, it is so frail. You've got to be so careful, especially with these. They're just so easy to break. Okay, so let's do this piece. Ah, no. See what I'm talking about? These things are so freaking fragile. You just look at them and they fall apart. Well, oh no, look at that. Someone's already been here with sticky tape. Well, at least I didn't break it, so that makes me feel better. Right, so the next thing I want to do is to remove the gas tank, which is in here. Well, it's not in there, but you can you take off the connections right there in that inspection hole right there. And then we're gonna be pulling it down, and it's this big thing right here. Come here, you. Yeah, there's definitely some fuel in there. Can definitely slosh around a lot in there. That's kind of an anti-slosh thing right there, but I don't know if that's gonna be enough. Other than that, it's all wide open tank. There's a decent amount of fuel in there. That's like 1/3 of a tank. Well, I'll drain that out. All right, so the tank is out. So now I am just lying under here trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this fuel system. But yeah, new fuel lines, new fuel system is definitely a priority since this pump is completely shot. It doesn't work. It sounds really bad. And I kind of want an upgrade for the T5 so I can upgrade the engine in the future. All right, you guys, this was just a short little update video as to kind of where I am right now. This has not been the only thing that I have done during the past 2 weeks. I have been digging deep into the Volvo electrics, trying to mate the Volvo 850 engine management system to the original Volvo 740 electrics. And I have also come to the conclusion that we can't run with an open diff because that's just gonna spin and it's not gonna be fun at all. So I've gotten myself a couple of 1031 axles with the Dana 30 LSD in them, so maybe we can build something out of that. And I might also consider changing out the whole subframe of the entire rear axle, like the trailing arms and just everything back there. And there is a kit here in Sweden from TRX that replaces everything that holds the rear axle, basically turning it into a 4-link system instead. Until next time, check out the link in the description below for a 10% discount at Speeding. Go in, check out their webpage, they got a lot of great stuff. And I'll see you next time. Ha det gött, hej! Thank you.